Hey Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing all the products you can utilize to successfully complete a set of Gelx nails at home, on your own, or with support. I didn't get the opportunity to create an intro, so this is what it looks like. So we're going to get into cuticle oil, which I love and is one of my favorite parts of doing nails. I love moisturizing my hands. Look how beautiful those look. This is cuticle oil that I purchased from Amazon, and the link is in the description. These are tools to clean out your cuticles and to remove your Gelx nails. And we will practice using these along my YouTube journey. This is a cuticle remover to remove the cuticles or any dead skin within your cuticles. I love it. And I'm just demonstrating how to use it for my ADHD people or, people who need more assistance. I use this brush to scrub my hands clean before I start my Gelx set. It's a pedicure set I got from Dollar Tree, and there's a buffer that I can buff my nails with. There's like a toe separator and a nail filer. I really like this set. It's only $1.25, so you can go ahead and go get you one, okay? Of course, you need a nail clipper if you need to clip your real nails or whatever you want to clip. Some more nail filers. Throughout the video, I'll be putting the products together so you can screenshot them. Here is a screenshot for you to purchase these items. This is an area where you can place everything into a small bag for people who may have ADHD and organization issues like me. Put it in a bag like this. It's nice and neat, and you can always go back to it. Now, this is the foundation and top coat. This is the polish before you put on your polish or color polish and after you put on your color polish. You're going to need the foundation is first, then your color polish, and then the top coat to finish everything. This is the nail prep dehydrator, and that's the back. This helps your nails stick to your hands for a long period of time. Well, stick to your nail bed. And this is the nail primer. So you use these two things before anything else. And we will do that together because I plan on going live. Here's a screenshot for you. I will go live and we can do it together. This is a cuticle remover. I love this stuff. It makes my cuticles look really, really nice and salon quality, okay? Screenshot or take a picture, whatever you like. I'm just demonstrating for the people who need a little assistance. I love that stuff. You just leave this on for about 15 seconds and you just take it off with that tool I showed you. These are the nails. I love these nails. These are not the nails I'm wearing right now. These are the nails that I wore in the previous 4 sets I did on my own for my first time. And I love them. This is the medium stiletto nail. I'll show you pictures towards the end so you can see what these look like. I did share that all these products are from Amazon, okay? And I love these nails because I have flat nail beds and these fit perfectly. These are medium square nails, and these are the ones that I am currently wearing right now. I love them. They're so cute and they're very sturdy, and I like how it's already etched inside so it stays on. It's pretty strong. I'm showing you what it looks like here, and most of them fit me. I didn't have to do too much customizing, so I really love these sets. And I just want to show you how it looks on the side. And they come in 11 sizes, both stiletto medium and square medium. They both come in 11 sizes, and I wanted to show you that. Now, these are Beetles nail tips and gel set. I bought these in a Coffin long shape, and it happened to not work out for me. It also came with a nail lamp and nail glue. That is what was at the top, but I am currently using that, but I am not using these nail tips because they do not fit my fingers. This is for a curved nail bed, and my nail beds are like more so flat. So this would work for you if you have curved nail beds. I plan on taking clients one day, so I'm going to keep them, and I may still use them in the future. So I'm just showing you what they look like, and they have various sizes. I believe it stops at 10. I will be going live on YouTube one of these days. I'm just demonstrating what it looks like. Now, it looks like it fits under my, square nail. Do you still see that space there? It was like a huge curve. I could not wear these nails. And yeah, that's a no-go. So I'm just like, nah. But that might work for someone else. Here's nail clippers to clip your nails when you are removing them or whenever you would like. Got this from Amazon. It's so cute. I love the pink. And I'm just showing you how it fits all your nails. It's really comfortable and easy to use. Now, this is the nail lamp, and all you have to do is put your finger in there for about 5 seconds. When you put your gel X nail on, 3 to 5 seconds, and then that's about it. And then later on, you still have to cure your hand inside of this full-size Cure LED lamp. I'm just showing you what it looks like and how it plugs and unplugs. I had this for a while now, and it works great. My nails are doing so good. When you use this, make sure you use sunscreen, okay? And for my ADHDers and visual learners like me, I decided to just apply the sunscreen to show you. And I try to make sure I get all around my fingers up there. And then I wipe my nails off, and then I use it. Timers are set for 1 minute or 1 minute and 30 seconds. These are my Beetle nail shades, 25 color gel nail set. I love all these shades. I wanted shades that I can use throughout all holidays. I realized 2 were missing, but I guess they're elsewhere when I painted my nails. I just want to show you what they look like. They're a lot more smaller than the average standard nail polish. So I'm just showing you here the difference, but it's okay because I believe these expire in like 2 or 3 years. So yeah, you get a good use out of it. This set came with a top coat, a matte top coat, and a foundation polish, as well as a glossy top coat. Here's the 2 polishes next to each other. One is glossy and one is matte to help you. I cannot wait to try the matte polish because I've never done that before, but I am a glossy girl, so I'm patient about that. This is nail glue. I just wanted to show you this. You use this to adhere the Gelx nail to your nail bed. This was inside of the box, and this will help you, do your nails and create your designs. I didn't need to use it, but I like it that it's there. I think this is such a great package. Here's my little happy nail dance because I'm just so souped up. This is the nail drill I use and got it from Amazon. I don't see it on Amazon right now, but I did put the substitute link in there, and it's pink. My favorite color is pink. You can control the speed of the drill, and you can control whether it faces or, twirls left or twirls to the right. Why'd I say twirls like that? But nah, let me close this up. Okay, I love these. These are tools to help support your nail art. They're by Beetles, as you can see, and I think that they're so cute. I love the glitter inside. When I opened the top, that black one started acting all funny, and I never used the black one yet, so I did not know, but it had to go. I used these already, and I really like them, okay? I just wanted to share that. So these are the gems. I've had some of these for a few years. I got some from Amazon, and I got some from other places, so I'm just going to show you them. Some of them fell out from this one. I had that one for a long time. This one is full, and it's ready for me to use it, you know what I'm saying? But I have a lot of gems and little decorations to show you. Now, this is up to you. Whatever your nail style is what you would purchase, of course, obviously. But this is just my style. I really enjoy it. I love it. I cannot wait to use them. Yeah, we're gonna go down a whole rabbit hole of jewelry right now. I just wanted to show you some of them outside the pack so you can see how it shines. But it didn't really shine as much on camera as it was shining in my hand. This is a wax stick by Elf. I had this for a long time and I love it. It helps me pick up the gems when I need it to place it on top of the glue that I put on my nail. And here I'm demonstrating. I didn't put any glue on my nail because I didn't want to add any rhinestones at the moment, but that is what it would look like. Here is some rhinestone glue that I got from Amazon that you can use. I only used it about twice. I really like it, and that was just a sample. I wanted to show you what it would look like. This is a tool that comes with one of the gem packages, and I just want to show you what it looks like and why we're using it. It helps you pick up these, little gems, and then you can just place it on top of the glue wherever you want to, put your gems on your nails. Get real creative with it. So that's me just showing you how I use it, and yeah, it's really helpful. If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. It took me a while to do, but I really had fun creating. This is some more designs. Look at these bows and so many colors. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to create. Oh my God, look at that. There's pink. There's more tools. I love this. Ooh, I forgot about that one. Look at that hot pink.
I will be going on live soon and we will be creating, okay? You guys are going to help me design my nails. Ooh, we got more bows. We got butterflies. We got, okay, pink and gold. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That's that nail art people are drawing that you could just stick on your nails right now. Ooh. Is that a cherry? Yeah, I think that's a cherry. Now, just when you thought I was finished, boom, another stack. Another stack of nail art. I just sped it up for you guys, but, we will get into this, and you will see these designs occasionally throughout my YouTube journey. I cannot wait, guys. Look how much I got. They're so beautiful. I'm so excited. I put a bow on my finger. Do you think I should, put it on? Please comment and tell me if I should put that bow on my finger right now while this video is fresh and I have this set on right now. I just did this set on Wednesday. Oh, my God, that's so cute. But I don't know. Should I put it? So there is various products that you can use to remove these Gelx nails. And we are going to start with these cloths and this little plastic nail cover that holds a cotton ball onto your nail and kind of melts the gel off your nail with the acetone. I love it. I leave it on for 20 minutes, and then after that, I use my tool to scrape off the gel, and it comes off. Sometimes I do 2 sets of 20 minutes. I'm just demonstrating for all my ADHDers and my visual learners, and that is how you do it. And you can kind of still use your hands in a sense. I might get a bowl, but so far I like these from Amazon. All items are listed in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's have nail fun.
These are the medium stiletto nail shape, and these are the previous looks I've done. I can show you how to do it too. These were all done at home. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.